Starting from Kix for Networks version 4.1, the Network Sessions functionality was introduced in the product. On the Network Sessions tab, the solution provides information on active network sessions and related statistics, as well as data on sessions which have already been closed. Detected network sessions contain useful information regarding which applications on both ends participate in the network interaction. Integration allows nodes' telemetry data to be funneled into the product from the endpoint software, enriching passively collected network monitoring data. In case Endpoint Integration Agent is installed only on one side of network interaction, we will see fewer information about the applications involved in the interaction. For any session, apart from viewing statistics, it is possible to download pre-filtered traffic. Additional filtering settings can be configured before traffic download, including the desired timeframe period. Depending on the selected timeframe, the traffic will be retrieved from internal or, if configured, external data storage. By clicking the Download button, we get filtered traffic according to our selected settings. Continuing our network inventory subject discussion, it is vital to mention topology map functionality. This map can be built automatically by polling network communication equipment devices, such as switches, routers, and gateways. In our case, a Cisco switch was polled, resulting in detailed information regarding which devices are connected to its ports. If required, the topology map can be extended by polling the rest of network equipment, or modified and completed manually. Here we can observe that we have a main network switch with 3 directly connected nodes located at a power substation. 9 more industrial relay protection and automation devices are connected through the unmanaged switch. The firewall, which separates the industrial network segment from the rest of substation's infrastructure, is connected to another Cisco switch port. Assets Details area is available and can be opened on Topology Map for all devices. Device information and available tabs are identical to the ones we observed earlier in Assets section. Here we can see that Firewall has only 3 network interfaces. Let's now move on to the Network Interactions map. Network Map did not undergo any significant changes in the latest product version and remains a convenient place for reviewing active and past communication activities between network devices, augmenting static view of Network Topology Map, which was demonstrated earlier. Devices can be grouped logically on the map according to their common roles or functions performed on the industrial network. In our case, it can be observed that industrial gateway device and SCADA server communicate each other over proprietary Siemens protocol. Gateway communicates with dispatcher center through IEC 104 protocol. If we select one of the communication links for industrial relay protection device, we can notice 61850 MMS protocol. On the Network Interactions map, you can configure filters and view the individual device details the same way as on Topology Map or Assets section. Information displayed on the network map shows network activity for a selected time frame. Changing the time period by dragging the slider can help you to visually track device interaction changes and investigate network interactions which happen before and after security event occurrence. Here, for example, on the timeline, there is a red highlighted sign of event occurrence which require attention. Sliding time frame towards the event, we can see exactly which nodes or which communications have raised an event or caused network interaction rules violation. The timeline scale can be adjusted in a way that is convenient for work. For example, selecting the whole day will display all communications for that particular time frame. Allow rules play important role for reliable network interaction control and deviation detection from approved reference model. The Allow Rules section contains a list of network interaction rules in tabular format. The rules are generated automatically during the system's learning period, which utilizes traffic data or telemetry from endpoint nodes. The rules can also be created or adjusted manually. Here you can view which protocols are used for network communication between devices, configure the rules by allowing or prohibiting particular interactions. The table also contains information about registered and allowed system commands for industrial communication protocols. For example, here you can see lists of commands for IEC 61850 and IEC 104 protocols which were detected during the learning period or adjusted during operation.